Greetings, entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Welcome to 𝗺𝗪𝒽 Estate, your go-to source for valuable business ideas and investment opportunities in the expansive real estate sector. Now, buckle up as we delve into 3 profitable business ideas for 2025. First on our list is smart home installations. As technology advances, more homeowners are seeking to transform their spaces into smart homes. This trend is creating a burgeoning demand for experts who can seamlessly integrate smart devices into everyday living. Staying current with the latest smart home technologies isn't just a great practice, it's essential. From smart locks to voice-activated lighting, the possibilities are endless. With the right expertise and marketing, this business can be a goldmine. Next up, we have sustainable housing solutions. As we move further into the 21st century, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Offering eco-friendly housing solutions presents a lucrative opportunity. With potential cost savings for consumers and a significant positive environmental impact, this venture is a win-win. These solutions marry economic sense with environmental responsibility, creating homes that are not only cost-effective but also kind to Mother Earth. This business not only brings in profits, but also contributes to saving our planet. Last but not least, real estate crowdfunding. This ingenious business idea involves gathering funds from a multitude of investors to finance promising real estate projects. Its potential profitability is immense, as profits are divided among investors. Moreover, the growing popularity of crowdfunding platforms is a clear indication of its promising future. This is not just another business, it's a revolution. This business idea democratizes real estate investment, making it accessible to more people. To recap, our 3 business ideas are smart home installations, a booming market with tech advancements, sustainable housing solutions, aligning with eco-friendly trends, and real estate crowdfunding, democratizing property investment. Thank you for tuning into 𝗺𝗪𝒽 Estate. Remember to subscribe for more business ideas and investment opportunities. Until next time, keep those entrepreneurial spirits high.